running.
Hey, we got Bruce running our new Caterpillar mini excavator. And it's like enclosed cab with air conditioning and stuff. It's all tinted like a limousine. Watch this thing. He's real good with this machine too. He's waving to you. Look, he's waving. Hi. Here he goes. Gonna plow some dirt. Oh, here he comes around. See, he's grading out and he's leveling off the dirt he dug up for this road. We're building a road so cars can use the road. Oh, watch this. We'll use the thumb and he'll grab that old junk trailer. There it is. It's got a thumb on it. It can grab stuff. See, wave bye-bye. See, it's got the thumb. It's like a big monster. Ah! All right, bye-bye.